In this video, we will be seeing how we can set up Trado in our mobile phone. Simply open your Chrome browser and go to the trado.web.app. Currently this page is not responsive, but it's okay, your terminal page will be responsive. Now just log in with your broker credentials. Okay, select your broker and log in with your broker credentials and simply log in it. Okay, now see, I have a one position running. I can take some more positions just to show you. Like I will set some predefined target SL, like 5 points target and SL. I will simply take a position. See, I got a SL and target SL at 8.85 and target at 18.85. I can trail my SL and target from here manually by clicking on this plus and minus buttons. Okay, you can see the order books, trade book, pending orders, all orders you can see from here. You have to slide this. Okay, then only you can see your all orders. Okay, now it's all your MTM, target, SL, everything is working. Everything will work perfectly. Simply I will put some MTM and I will put some SL like 45 rupees or MTM target to be for 55 and I will set it. Okay, see MTM target reach and see my all position got exited. MTM target reach. You can change this light mode to dark mode also. Simply press here. Simply change the light mode to dark mode from here. Okay, and now we will see how we can install this terminal as a web app in your mobile phone. Simply go here and see you have this above this desktop side. You have one install your app. Simply click on this install your app. Install app. It will be added to your home page. See. Now if I open this one, directly it will open my terminal. Log in it. Now see, it's open. One important thing you have to see here while using from your phone, you can't minimize this. Means minimizing this for longer period of time, it will be like same case as I explained in the desktop version. Like you can't minimize it for longer period, otherwise it's a default feature of your browser and mobile that it will stop the processing power of this terminal if it goes in background. Okay, so what you have to do here is you have to always keep it on your screen. What you can do is you can float your screen like this. You can see the features from your phone. You can float your screen from this features while trading through your mobile phone. Okay, I have 3 features of this floating windows. Float this all 3 features. Like see, I have a mini window. If I click on mini window, a mini window will be here. Simply I can go to the chart and I can see my chart. Okay, and I can check my MTM. It's running here. If I take any positions, like I will buy in OTM strike price. Okay, see, I can check my positions. I can check my MTM. It's very small screen, so you can adjust it accordingly. Or I can keep this as a floating window also like this. In floating window you can see your MTM and you can track everything. You can see everything clearly. But in mini window you can't see much thing. But if you keep this in mini window, then also the terminal will be in running mode. And don't turn off your phone. Means don't lock your phone. If you lock your phone, then your all this terminal will go in the background and you can't able to, and then you will be not able to check your positions. So I will conclude this as you can trade from your phone. It's okay, no issue. You have to keep this screen always on top of all of this display by using any of the features like floating window or mini window, or you can choose your split screen also. If some people are facing difficulties in finding this feature, maybe you have to change your some settings. Like go to this app settings. Okay, see, I have picture in picture. It's allowed. Picture in picture is allowed. So for Chrome you have to allow this picture in picture, then only this feature will be enabled in your phone. Or if you have older version of Android, then maybe you will be not having this feature. In that case you can use your split screen. Okay, with this feature you can trade easily from phone also with terminal. In coming videos we will be giving you options to trade in other indexes also. Like you can trade in Sensex, BankX, and Nifty, Midcap, in all the other index also. So be ready for that index trading through Trado. It will improve your execution times, and many more features will be there in that. Okay, thank you.